Hello everybody, welcome to MarineMax Copiague. This is a store in Long Island, New York. If you're ever in the area, feel free to stop by. As you can see, we have a huge selection of boats in here, even in the winter time. But today we'll be looking at the 2018 25-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. So even though this is a 2018, you do have the newer Mercury motors on it. These are twin 225s in white. And obviously they have the stainless steel props on them. But let's go take a look. Starting here in the transom, you'll see we have a couple rod holders as well as access to your fuel. You do have a little pull-out sprayer here in the back of fresh water. So if you're swimming or you just need fresh water, this will pull out and you can rinse yourself off. Little door here that'll close off for safety, or if you have a big fish that you need to pull in, you open this up. And you can walk right through. So here in the back, first thing you notice is the dual helm seats here. But with the station, you get the live well on this particular option. You can also use it as a cooler. It's a big live well, so anything you're going to be fishing for in this boat, the bait will be able to fit in there. A couple stainless steel cup holders. You can never have enough of them on a boat. See rod holders throughout here. What's nice that Whaler does is they put the cleats here down below, so you actually run your rope through here. It's a little bit of a cleaner look, and also it won't get in the way when it's up top here. It's nice and flush. Do have speakers on each side here in the back, so one here and one over here behind this door. Self-bailing boat, as you can see, so if it rains it'll drain right out. These are just little storage compartments. So in here is kind of meant for tackle or weights, lures. I kind of put it in here, easy access. I see gasket around every compartment here in Whaler, and every compartment is also going to be self-bailing or self-draining, I should say. Here, a little more storage. Just have a pull-out drawer on top, and then down below, you can just put some stuff down there. Dual fish boxes, so these actually come up. You have one on this side, and then you have one on the other side as well. So in here, these will come up. You can see the fit and finish here, the gasket, the nice strut, stainless steel top of the line. Everything's all fit and finished in here. You're not going to find that with a bunch of boats. That just happens to be where we put our hose for the sprayers. So this just closes. And then working our way up a little bit on the helm station, we do have a couple pull-out drawers here. Nice. Nice gaskets around. So a little bit hard to pull out, but they do that on purpose, so they're not going to open up during rough seas. And actually, before I forget, the Outrage, people think it's just a strictly fishing boat, but it is very versatile. You do have plenty of seats throughout the boat, whether you're deep shore fishing or you just like the style of the boat in general. You do have a nice pull-out seat here, so when it's folded in, you can have 4, maybe 5 people back here fishing. But all of a sudden it opens up to a 2, maybe even 3-person seat here. Very comfortable. It's not just a seat to have a seat. It's actually very comfortable to lean in and sit. And then if you have some grab handles back here if you need extra support while you're riding. You also do get blocked by the T-top, so any wind would be blocked even if you're sitting back here. Bolsters throughout the entire boat. Very convenient. Wherever you're fishing, or if you're just leaning up against the boat, you can use it. Here at the helm, dual helm seat, very versatile. These will come up and down. The bolsters here will flip up and down as well, depending on how you want to sit. And what Whaler does that is nice is here at the helm, depending on how you sit, you can put your feet up here. Very convenient with the suicide knob to drive the boat, or if you're standing, I don't know if you can see, but there's another groove right on here, so even if you're leaning, you can use that. Adjustable steering wheel here, so this will tilt up and down. Digital throttles. This particular boat comes with a Marine GPS and fish finder already built in. A little bit of a Mercury vessel view right there to get all your engine info. You have your AM FM radio right there. Trim tab controls right here, and those are just to start the boat. Stainless steel cup holders and a little bit of storage in here, as well as your USB cable and your auxiliary port, accessory port, sorry, to charge your phones. Switches up top here, more storage up here. You could also put radio in there or what have you. T-top, T-top bag storage up here, or if you want to put your life jackets in there. This is just a little light. Nice, it's glass enclosed, but there is a little vent there, so if it gets really hot, you can open that up and let some fresh air in. Nice grab handles throughout. Working our way towards the bow here. We do have a windlass anchor on this boat. It is an option. For the most part, we order it that way. Nice seating up front. You also have a little table mount right there. That's what that stainless steel piece is. Nice fish box right here. So this comes up, fit and finished. Can even use it as a cooler or just storage if you want. All these cushions are removable, so if you want to do serious fishing, you don't want the cushions to get dirty, or you just want to put them away in storage, you can. Then you have the nice dual cooler seat here in the bow. So this will pop up, and you can just see the fit and finish again throughout. You also do have a little bit of storage in here as well. Then working our way back around. This is the door here. It's got a magnet here, so it's not going to blow away when you open it. And down below, you can see we have our little head area with your controls, your head to the radio, battery switches, table, and you can use that as storage if you want. And you can see a little step to get down in there. So that's our review of the 250 Boston Whaler Outrage. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or stop by. Thank you.